Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos in the microwave. First, let's prepare your protein. Take about 1 pound of ground beef or a plant-based substitute and crumble it into a microwave-safe bowl. Cook it on high for 3 to 5 minutes, making sure to stir it halfway through. This ensures even cooking and breaks up any large pieces, getting your base ready for delicious tacos. Once your protein is cooked, carefully drain any excess fat. Now, it's time for flavor. Add about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water to the meat. Stir it thoroughly and microwave for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. While that finishes, warm your taco shells for 30 seconds to 1 minute until they are pliable and ready to fill. With your seasoned meat and warm shells ready, it's time for the fun part, assembly. Carefully spoon the delicious meat mixture into each taco shell. Now, customize your tacos with your favorite toppings. Shredded lettuce and cheese are classic choices. Don't forget to add some diced tomatoes, onions, or a dollop of sour cream for extra flavor and texture. Make them exactly how you like them. And there you have it. Your delicious microwave tacos are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while everything is warm and fresh. This entire process takes less than 15 minutes, making it an incredibly convenient option for a quick lunch or dinner. It's perfect for those busy days when you crave a tasty meal without a lot of fuss. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.